Now let's look at the dynamic hair controls in Poser. First we'll scroll through our simple animation. We have one hair group here that we've animated using the dynamic controls, and you can see that the hair is moving as the character's head turns. And then when his head stops, the hair settles as it would in real life. So let's look at some of the controls and how we work with the dynamic hair. We've removed the hair from our character, and we're going to start fresh and show how this is done. The first thing we'll need to do is to select the head in the hair room, and then we'll go to New Growth Group, and we'll name that growth group Hair 1, click OK, and we now have a new group set for the dynamic controls. Then we'll select Edit Growth Group, and the figure will turn to a non-textured darkened figure. And what we'll do at this point is select the polygons that we want to have hair on them.